Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify digital products. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, head over to your products section, then click on add a product, and here you can easily add your title and you can set your status, whether it is active or draft. And below you can set your media and category. You can search in here for digital and you can choose with digital products and stuff like that. So yeah, it is actually quite similar to adding a product, but it is gonna be digital product for this one. And of course for the digital product there isn't gonna be any delivery, so you can remove that part and also make it free. So yeah, that's how easily you can set up your Shopify digital products. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.